Done. Where are you going? Are you going straight on to push in? What an absolute cock launcher. What was the point in that? What was the point in that? Alright. Open. Oh, that's it. Push into my lane, yeah? Penis. Hello, John's workplace. Bye, John's workplace.
Stop, Molly. Oh.
Cut the corner a bit there, darling. Oh, fucking hell! Fucking that van needs to look out that Astra. Yikes.
Economic policy and trade arrangements with Scotland, you would jump up and down in outrage at that, and yet you're perfectly happy to accept it from Brussels. What would happy?
I wonder if you ran that red light, young man. Very professional, young man. Very professional.
95, I'll kill you if you try me for my airbags. 95, told base when I met him, I'ma ride. And if I gotta die, rather homicide. I ain't had 50 cent when my grandmama died. Now, boy, see how time fly. The dogs on top, and I'm gon' shine.
Sky through. We've got a smash or something. So look. Oh shit, this guy's having his car searched. A nice big gap there you could have gone into. Another gap here in front of the Corsa. No, you don't want that one either. Oh, alright, just confuse the hell out of everyone then. There's about There's about 10 car lengths in front of him. He's just dawdling. Oh, now you want to come in and cut this fucking truck up? Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? You complete melt. Make a decision, pal. What a knobhead.
Holidays. Package holidays you can trust. Outer and ATOL protected. Subject to range and term conditions.
Oh man, that's 2 you've jumped this morning. Please look next time. You see that? I had his indicator on to go left and just went straight on. Oh yeah, it's run a red light, mate. Don't worry about it. Thank you. Help yourself.
Waste and turn into ninja pigeons that save the world, but in a plot twist.
You're doing the speed limit.
Particularly want to have over the other side of the negotiating table from me. I think if he does some of the negotiations, I think he's probably going to be more effective than Theresa May. The thing they have in common
Just go for it, yeah?
is that they are both unembarrassable. They can sit there.
Oh dear. Well done, council.
Generally, that they love doing, they feel it's an important job. What I would say the impact is demoralising. They always see praised after Grenfell. They get praised after the Malden fires and Graston fires we've seen in recent weeks. But actually, none of that is reflected in.
Oh dear, what's happened here? Good. Two ambulances and a police car, eh? Ugh, I hope everyone's alright. What a prick! Will the cyclist stop for the red light? No! Jump onto the pavement to get round it. Ah! And then back on the road! That's the way to do it. We're coming up to another red one. Oh! Straight through. Oh. I'm doing all this driving malarkey wrong, seriously. Red clearly means go. What could go wrong if I ran a red light? Going Gedling. fucking idiot!
Swan Sanctuary?
Oh, alright. Yeah, you're welcome, lads.
Stop. It's because it's more pedestrian. Cars are secondary to...
Just wandered into the street. Didn't even saw me come in and just wandered into the street.
At the roundabout, turn left onto A612.